A very blessed morning to you, dear children. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, children, our today's topic of discussion will be the fourth lesson of English literature, that is the Four Friends. Alright? So, first of all, look at the picture given to you. There are three children playing with building blocks. And the names of these children are Sarah, Nido and Ronit. Fine? And below that, there is a question asked to you. That is, here are some games we play with our friends. Write I for indoor games and O for outdoor games. So children, you all know that indoor games are the ones that we play inside the house or under a roof. On the other hand, outdoor games are the ones that we play outside the house. Fine? So look at the first game, that is chess. You know that chess is an indoor game. So there is I written over here in the first box. Fine? Come to the second game, that is cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Fine. So you will write O in the second box. Third is Ludo. Ludo is an indoor game. You will write I over here. Next is football. Football is an outdoor game. So O will be written over here. Fine. Next is building blocks. Building blocks is an indoor game. So you will write I in the fifth box. Alright. Next is hockey. Hockey is an outdoor game. So you will write O over here. Next is carom. Carom is an indoor game. So you will write I over here. Fine. The last word is badminton. Badminton is an outdoor game. So you will write O in the eighth box. Alright? Fine. Come to the next page. So, according to the story, the place which is discussed is a jungle. The story is related to a jungle. Fine. The time is one summer day. And the names of the characters are Daisy, the deer. So the name of the deer is Daisy. Mika, the mouse. The name of the mouse is Mika. Coco, the crow. The name of the crow is Coco. Toto, the tortoise. The name of the tortoise is Toto. Children, I would like to clear one thing here, that it is not tortoise, it is tortoise. Fine. So, the last character is a hunter. Is that clear? Fine. So, let's start reading. Daisy, Mika, Coco and Toto are singing and dancing. So, they are singing and dancing. Next is, one is so fast and one so slow. One flies so high, one runs so low. But they stay together, they play together, these four jungle friends. Alright? So, these birds are singing this. Alright? Now, come to the next page. So, the first character, that is Mika, is saying, let's play hide and seek. Then Coco says, yes, let's play. Then Toto says, no, I can't hide so quickly. So, children, as you know that in the game of hide and seek, the players have to hide fast, right? So, the Toto, that means tortoise, cannot even walk fast. How will he hide that fast? Isn't it? So he said he will not play. Alright? Then Daisy says, we will hide and you can look for us. Then Toto says, alright, all of you hide. So Coco, Mika and Daisy run away. Toto goes after them. It means they hid somewhere and Toto goes after them so as to search them. Fine? Then Toto says, you are in this hole, Mika. Then Mika says, how did you know I was hiding in this hole? So Toto says, I saw your tail. Now I see Coco's feathers in the tree. Come down, Coco. So children, now he found Mika and Coco. Fine? Next. Then Coco says, let's see if you can find Daisy. Toto could not find Daisy. Then Mika says, I can't find Daisy. Then Coco says, I will look for her. Coco flies away to look for Daisy in the jungle. Alright? Then Mika says, something is wrong. Coco looks worried. Then Coco says, Daisy needs help. A hunter caught her in a net. Then Toto says, Coco, take Mika with you. Mika is the mouse. Coco says, take Mika with you. He can cut the net. So children, you all know that Mika is a mouse. And a mouse has sharp teeth. So he can cut the net easily. Isn't it? Then Coco says, that is a good idea. Hold on to my feathers, Mika. Then Mika says, let us save our friend Daisy. Let us go. Then Coco says, I can see Daisy. There she is. Coco is a crow, so he can see Daisy. Fine. Then Mika says, don't worry, Daisy. I am going to get you out. Mika works hard and bites through the net. Fine. Come to the next page. Then Daisy says, thank you for saving me, Mika. Then Coco says, run, run. The hunter is here. Then Mika says, hide. That means hide everyone. The hunter is here. Then Coco, Daisy and Mika hide. The hunter looks for Daisy. Then hunter says, oh, where is the deer? Fine. So children, the hunter got confused that how the deer escaped from the net. Is it clear? So students, I hope you all understood the story till here. We will read the rest of the story in the next session. Alright? Thank you and God bless you.